Hello everyone, welcome back to Flame Fed Homestead. My name is Brandon. Today we are going to make some macaroni and cheese. My eldest requested from my wife to make some macaroni and cheese with sour cream. She found a recipe somewhere on the internet and we're going to try it tonight. Let's get started. We've got the water boiling. Add some salt. We're going to throw in 16 ounces of elbow macaroni. We'll cook that to a nice al dente. Okay, while the noodles are cooking, we're going to get a pan ready to go. It says to butter the pan, and I chose to use some of the melted butter that we're going to have today and just baste it on the pan. We're going to split the recipe and bake some of it in the oven, and the other half is going to go onto the smoker because that's my preference. So we're going to have a foil pan for outside and a glass baking pan for the oven. We're buttered and ready to go. Okay. Now that the noodles are done, we're going to move them into a large bowl for mixing. Seven tablespoons of melted butter in with the noodles and mix thoroughly. Two cups of heavy cream. One cup of half and half. Two large eggs. And 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Now we'll go in with our seasonings. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. 1 1/4 tablespoons of seasoned salt. And 1/4 teaspoon of pepper just for a touch of flavor. We're going to mix that all together. Set that to the side for just a minute. We need to get our cheeses ready. 16 ounces of Colby Jack cheese. We're going to do 8 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese. So that'll be half of the block. Let's shred some cheese. Now we're going to add that to our bowl and mix it all together. From here we can go into our baking dishes. We'll try and split it as evenly as we can. top them with 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. There you have it. We are ready for baking. Recipe calls for 375. We're definitely going to start the smoker at 200. We'll see you out there. As previously mentioned, we're going to put it on the smoker. Currently set for 200 degrees. Let that smoke. Okay, we got it's been about 30 minutes. Starting to melt, looks delicious. We're gonna be adding some chicken on here at the same time. I just put the one in the oven inside. So we're gonna turn this up to 375 to match what's in the oven. And then we'll get some chicken on. Time to put some chicken on. Chicken's coming off. Mac and cheese time. Melty and bubbly and ooey gooey delicious. Time to dish up. I'd say that's pretty gooey. One regular for my daughter, and one smoked for me. Time for a little taste test. Smoky one first. Definitely picked up some of the smoky flavor. Now for the oven.
Baking, Daddy.
Notably different, but still delicious.
Dad.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.